going on, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists. We're headed to the International Hail Expo in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm going to take you with me on my travels. Let's go check it out.
Look at this dude.
Yes.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
Hey everybody, Ryan Hampton here at the 2019 International Hail Expo, hosted by 300 and myself and my two partners, Bill Park and Tony Frazier. I'm here with RPS Dent Repair. Looking forward to this weekend. It's our second annual event. Hope you made it here. If you didn't, you're going to see some cool video of what went down here. And we'll have some information soon around when the 2021 will be held. So looking forward to seeing y'all next year, and we're going to go in there and get this thing started right now. Here, first year tech. He showed up this year in Colorado.
Last night, got in, you know, kind of didn't sleep much, got up early, flight and stuff, so went to bed early. And then around 12:30, got to know some of my neighbors, right? And I'm here to tell you that, like, Ryan Shutt sleeps in that same outfit that I've seen him in every time I've ever seen him. He had the hoodie, the hat, everything coming out for the fire drill, right? So, fire drill.
And so listen, when I saw this guy posting about,
you know, between podcasts and videos,
it's going to come down to documentation, the language that you use when you deal.
But one thing I have done is I spent 15 years in the military.
The sweat, the tears, a lot of tears.
What's up, guys? We had a great time at the Hail Expo here in St. Louis. Thanks for coming on the ride. Had some great experiences. Got some really good content. Classes were really good. And the tools even. We had Chad from Endeavor dropping a new hammer. We had Woody from Dead on Dent Tools dropping off some new tips. It was a good show. So thanks for riding with us. Like, subscribe. Check you on the next one. See you guys.